Hey guys, we're here at the Naples Zoo and we are about to go in. It's our first time here, so we'll see what they've got. We don't really know. Yeah, got some, let me see, put them on. Oh, it's so cool. And we got Grandma and we're about to go in. There's a tarantula made of Legos. Come on.
It doesn't look like Legos from far away.
Here we are, Naples. Look at how cute. Wasn't that so cool?
That's Tinkerbell.
How cool.
All right, come on, let's figure out where we're going.
Thank you guys so much. Was that so neat? We've got to go. Oh, thank you. How cool is that? Huh? You guys got to see all the princesses. There's some toucans. I guess not.
You just said it right the first time, macaws.
Oh, macaws. Did I say toucan? I meant macaw. Look at this beautiful tree, you guys. What was that tree called again?
I think it's a mallow.
Yeah, Melaleuca. That's what it's called. Another. Look, Venus flytrap made of Legos. Oh, orchids. Is that really?
Yeah, that's how they grow in.
They just grow on the side of trees in real life. In nature. Look at those real orchids, guys. Just growing on the side of the tree. A sloth. Look at him. He's hanging out in there sleeping. I know. Way in the back corner. He's back there taking a nap. A tokay gecko. That's pretty cool, huh? That's a big anteater. Look at him. Oh, he's itching.
Why is he where he sleeps?
Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Oops, sorry.
Baby.
Oh my gosh, they're so cute. It's a cotton-topped tamarin.
There's a little
Oh yeah, look, they've got a countdown keychain in there to play with. That's cute. They're so little. They got little mohawks. It's adorable. Hello, little gazelle. He's got one little horn too. Look at that. That is so cool. That is an anglerfish, and they've got jellyfish, eels, and an octopus. Pretty awesome. Look at this. It's a shrimp.
I like shrimp.
Look at that shrimp.
I like shrimp, Mommy.
Peacock mantis shrimp made of Legos. Come on. All right, we're headed to the giraffes. It does look like a hummingbird. It's really pretty. It says it's a kingfisher. It looks like a hummingbird though. Here we go. We're at the giraffes. Okay, you gonna try, guys? One at a time. I can see you.
He's staring.
You might have to wave it around a little bit. I don't know. We're about to take the primate cruise.
Right up the trunk and then leaps from
There he is. Yeah, you see him now?
It's like a horse.
It does look like a horse tail. See him? Isn't that cool? Sit down. He's sticking his thing out. You see him?
Those aren't spiders. Let's call them black-headed spider monkeys. And the name stuck. Now they do come in different shades.
Look at his
sizes,
tail.
Depending on their diet, they all have just black little hands. On the left side.
Look, he's sitting right there on the ground.
Now we aren't going to go around their eyelids, so you'll get a great view of those two since they're out.
Descendants of saber-toothed cats. I guess some people thought that they were. Now we know they're not. Oh, Barry is lifting it up, chewing it up.
Her name is Beria?
I don't know.
What a beer.
I don't think so. Where did you get that information?
We're done with them. We take that target, we get them off the scale, move them back out into the water, all without ever having to put our hands on that animal. It reduces the amount of stress on the alligators and definitely reduces the amount of stress on us. And it makes overall the care for these animals much better. My favorite part about all this that it highlights how intelligent these animals are. Because for the longest time, people looked at alligators like they weren't much more than just big dumb lizards. Well, what we've learned over the past 20 years is that that couldn't be farther from the truth. These are highly intelligent animals. You're actually looking at one of the few species of animal on the planet that uses tools to enhance their survival. Now, their tool use might not be as intricate as some primates' tool use, where they use different objects for all sorts of different things. Or even as fancy as, say, sea otters, which pick out their favorite rock in order to break clams and keep that rock with them their entire life. However, alligators have figured out how to use sticks to catch birds. And the way this has come about is because, well, alligators, they just sit there, they watch and they learn. And one of the things that they have
Look at that one, look on.
one of the things that they've learned over the years is that every year, birds come to alligator-infested waters to build their nests in the limbs overhanging the water. And in order to build those nests, well, those birds need sticks. And so alligators, whenever they see the birds starting to nest, like you can see the ones in our exhibit doing, they'll go out, they'll find small sticks, then they'll cruise back over to where those birds are building their nests. The alligators will submerge their entire body with just that stick hanging out on the tip of their snout. And as they sit there like that, without fail, some poor bird always seems to fly by and think, that's the stick I need. So they swoop down to get it. Well, as that bird swoops down to get that stick, the alligator jumps up, grabs the bird, gets himself a nice easy meal. It works in a dry season. And like its name implies, during the dry season, water starts to dump out into the Atlantic and into the Gulf, and we don't get nearly enough rain to replenish it fast enough to make sure it stays at normal levels. Well, alligators don't like to dry.
Well, we're about to head out of the Naples Zoo. We had such a fun time. She does. We had a fun time seeing alligators get fed, feeding some giraffes. They have a really neat play place here. Everybody got cheetahs. And I got this hat. And we're hot, but we had a good time. And now we're gonna head to the Naples Pier. So we're about to go in and have some lunch at P.F. Chang's. You ready to go and have some lunch?
Yeah.
Whoops, careful. Look at them. They're just so goofy.
Mama, they're missing the horse.
They are missing the horse statue. I don't know, but you guys are so silly. Take it down a notch. Take it down a notch. Dancing. You sit outside. Scoot over, please. Good day.
There you go, sir.
What do you tell Grandma? Right? Yep. What did you order, Sophia?
I ordered chicken fried rice.
Chicken fried rice. What did you order, Owen?
Chicken.
Chicken. And I got chicken and shrimp pad thai. And my mom got pad thai as well. With no meat. Whoa, look at that. Word search and all kinds of stuff. Let me see what you're doing over here.
Coloring my dragon.
Very nice.
That he's gonna eat.
Yeah.
Juice.
Food looks amazing. Pad thai. Got some lemonade. She's almost done with her chicken fried rice. And Owen ate his so fast, I didn't even get to get it on film, but he had potato starch breaded chicken, and it was good. Totally lost the GoPro for like a couple of months.
Socks.
Yeah? Are you excited?
The water, and you can
We will put it in the water. Let's go to the beach. We're here.
If we can find a sock.
I am just so excited. I had it in this little pocket in my chair. I didn't realize. I've been looking for it everywhere. We went to Disney twice like a couple weeks ago, and I was so upset that I didn't have my GoPro to film it. I didn't know where it was. It was in my beach chair, of all places. And I couldn't find it anywhere, and it was crazy. We went to Disney for one day with my dad for Sophia's birthday. We stayed the night at a hotel and went all day to Animal Kingdom. Then the next week, we went for 4 days, and we stayed at,
Guess what?
Port Orleans
She's
River.
gonna put you in the water and see if you can find a shark.
We went to Port Orleans Riverside for 4 whole days, and I totally didn't film any of it. It looks so beautiful.
My favorite color, blue.
It is turquoise, yeah. The ocean looks perfect, guys. Hardly any waves, nice and calm. I hope the water's clear. Oh, your hat. It's beautiful today. You always put your umbrella into the wind to keep it from flying away down the beach, which has happened to me more than once. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Owen! Woo! It's a big wave. These waves are really big today. They're not white caps, but they're big. Coming all the way up to my chest. Look in. That's cool. So we had an amazing lunch. Was your lunch good?
Yes.
Yeah, it was delicious. So we're just gonna head home. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us today. Thank you for watching. See you guys soon.